spent the past few hours installing this INPA software and a KCAN reader and the INPA software, and I finally got it working after a lot of messing around. And one thing I realized is that the software is in German and I can't read any of this, so I need to find an English version, but all of the conditions seem to be in the green except that one. I got my hands on this other software called Rhinegold. At first it gives you an error. It's okay, you just bypass that. And it wasn't connecting in the beginning, so what I had to do was I went to this gear icon, VCI configuration. Originally it was set at dealer organization ICOM. I think it was either this one or this one, the local area network. I changed it to the Ediabas, and then I clicked OK. Went to operations, vehicle readout, complete identification, and it started reading this information. So this is the information from my car. It gives, I guess it's running a diagnostic under this control tree. So we'll just wait for this to complete. It's still going. Alright, so we'll go back to vehicle details. So this is the mileage, engine, when it was produced, a bunch of other stuff. So repair history. I guess I have to be connected to the internet control tree. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep going through this. I'm not too familiar with the software, so I'm gonna click around and see what does what.